Part 5, Chapter 11, Jesus, Isa. And Jesus is mentioned in 5 times as many verses as Muhammad is mentioned by name. And by Jesus, the Quran means, of course, the Messiah one, not Barabbas, not Barnabas, not Apollonius. وَقَفَيْنَا لَثَرِهِمْ بِعِيسَى بْنِ مَرْيَمَ مُصَدِّقًا لِمَا بَيْنَ يَدَيْهِ مِنَ التَّوْرَاةِ وَآتَيْنَاهُ الْإِنْجِيلَ فِيهِ هُدًى وَنُورٌ ومصدقا لما بين يدي من التوراة وهدى وموعظة للمتقين لقد كفر الذين قالوا إن الله هو المسيح ابن مريم قال المسيح يا بني إسرائيل اعبدوا الله ربي وربكم إنه من يشرك بالله فقد حرم الله عليه عليه الجنة ومأواه النار. Surah 5, Ayat 46. We followed up the footsteps of these, literally the prophets, with Jesus, the son of Mary, that he should confirm that which in the Pentateuch had been said before him. Well, in the books of Moses, actually. I mean, the real books of Moses, what the Quran confirms. We gave him the gospel. Again, the revelation to Jesus, not necessarily what's claimed about him, wherein is guidance and light, which testifies that which in the Pentateuch, well, the Torah of Moses had been said before him, and which is a guidance and a warning unto those who fear God. Surah 5, Ayat 72. They are ungodly, those who say that God is the Messiah, the son of Mary, even though the Messiah said, O children of Israel, worship God, my Lord and your Lord. He who associates aught with God, God will forbid in paradise and his refuge. وَمَا لِلظَّالِمِينَ مِنْ أَنصَارٍ. ما المسيح ابن مريم إلا رسول قد خلت من قبله الرسل وأمه صديقة كانوا يأكلان الطعام انظر كيف نبين لهم ثم انظر أنا يؤفكون. Okay, it is Tuma. Okay, usually it's not. Usually it's, Thuma is a lot more common. يا أهل الكتاب لا نغل بدينكم ولا تقولوا على الله إلا الحق إنما المسيح عيسى بن مريم رسول الله وكلمته ألقاها إلى مريم وروح منه Ennamathala Isa Endala Ekamathala Adama. Will be held no defensor for the unjust. Surah 5, ayat 76. The Messiah, the son of Mary, is only a messenger, which other prophets have preceded. His mother was a perfect woman, but both ate food. See how we explain to them the signs, and yet see how they turn aside. Surah 4, 871. O ye people of the Holy Scriptures, do not exceed in your religion, nor say about God aught save the truth. The Messiah, Jesus, the son of Mary, is but the messenger of God, his word cast into Mary, and a spirit coming from him. Okay, see the continuation of the verse, which we already shared. Surah 3, 59 and 60. For God, the case of Jesus is that of Adam. He created him from the earth, and then he خلقه من تراب ثم قال له كن فيكون الحق من ربك فلا تكن من الممترين وما كاروا وما كار الله والله خير ماكرين إذ قال الله يا عيسى إني متوفيك ورافعك إلي ومطهرك من الذين كفروا وجاهد الذين نبأوك فوق الذين كفروا إلى يوم القيامة ثم لي مرجعكم فأحكم بينكم فيما كنتم فيه تختلفون وبكفرهم وقولهم على مريم بهتانا عظيما وقولهم إنا قتلنا المسيح عيسى بن مريم. Said to him, Be, and he was. The truth comes from thy Lord. Be thou not of those who doubt. Surah 3, ayat 54 and 55. The Jews, literally they, laid a trap for Jesus, to crucify him or otherwise kill him. But God did the same thing regarding them by substituting another man in the place of Jesus upon the cross, say the commentators. For he, upon that score, is their masters. Well, they took somebody that they thought was him. That's not something that the commentators made up. Or for he upon that score is their master. God said to Jesus, I will call thee, take thee up again to me, and will cleanse thee from defilement of the misbelievers. Well, I will cause your death and then raise you up. I will place thy disciples, literally those who follow thee, and some people think that was the historians, but maybe the origination of such groups, of what they represent, above the ladder until the day of resurrection. Then you will all return to me, and I will decide between you concerning that which divides you. Surah 4, 156, 158. It is for their misbelief and for casting malicious imputations against Mary. It is because they have said, We have killed the Messiah Jesus, the son of Mary, the prophet, Rasul وما قتلوه وما صلبوه ولكن شبه لهم وأن الذين اختلفوا في لا في شاك من ما لا بعيد إلا تباصن وما قتلوا يقينا بل رفعه الله إليه وكان الله عزيزا حكيما. إن والله عليه وجعلناه مثلا لبني إسرائيل. قال عيسى بن مريم اللهم ربنا أنزل علينا مائدة من السماء تكون لنا عيدا لأولنا وآخرنا وآية منك وارزقنا وأنت خير of God that we have punished them. Oh, and commentators say that we have punished them. Okay. They neither killed him nor crucified him, although such as he appeared to them, God having put another man in the place of Christ. Those who disputed about it are themselves in doubt. They are totally uncertain concerning him. They are reduced to conjectures. They did not really kill him, but God raised him up to himself. God is mighty and wise. Surah 43, ayat 59. He, Jesus, is only a man to whom we have granted a special favor, a prophetic commission, to serve as an example for the children of Israel. A Nabi is an exemplar prophet. Surah 5, ayat 114 to 115, said Jesus, the son of Mary, O God, my Lord, send down to us a table from heaven to be a festival and one of thy signs. For the first, as well as for the last of us, grant Arazeqin Qalallahu inni naziluha alaykum faman yakfur ba'du minkum fa'anni wa'dedu adhaban wa'dedu ahadan minal alamin. Us our provisions, for thou art the best of providers. God answered, I am sending it down to you. Whoso disbelieves amongst you, after that I will cause him to suffer a punishment such as I will not inflict upon anyone else in the world. So some discern the two verses as an allusion to the mystery of the Eucharist, but spiritual eating was always, part of how things were.